Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Wondering how some people achieve financial freedom while others struggle? In today's video, I'll introduce you to 5 personal finance books that have transformed millions of lives, and they could change yours too. Stay till the end, because I'll also share a simple strategy to pay off your debts faster than you ever thought possible. Hi everyone, welcome to Invest Vision Hub, your go-to channel for financial wisdom and strategies to build a brighter future. If you're ready to take control of your money and turn your financial dreams into reality, this video is for you. Let's dive in. The 5 books. 1. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Dave Ramsey's no-nonsense approach to money management has helped millions. This book provides a step-by-step plan to get out of debt, build an emergency fund, and invest for your future. It's famous for the baby steps approach, which breaks down financial goals into manageable tasks. If you're drowning in debt, this is the book to start with. 2. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This classic challenges the traditional way of thinking about money. Kiyosaki shares lessons he learned from his 2 dads, his own father, the poor dad, and his best friend's father, the rich dad. It's all about understanding assets and liabilities and making your money work for you. 3. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. This book doesn't just teach you how to manage money. It helps you redefine your relationship with it. Vicki Robin's 9-step program focuses on aligning your spending with your values and achieving financial independence. It's perfect if you're looking for a more meaningful approach to managing your finances. 4. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Ever wonder how millionaires really live? Spoiler alert, they're not flashy. This book reveals the habits and traits of everyday millionaires who quietly build wealth through discipline, frugality, and smart investments. It's a must-read for anyone aspiring to financial independence. 5. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Ramit Sethi's book is like having a personal finance coach who's also your best friend. It's packed with actionable advice on automating your finances, negotiating better deals, and investing wisely. The tone is fun and approachable, making it ideal for young professionals. Now let's talk about paying off your debts. The best method? The Debt Snowball approach. Here's how it works. 1. List all your debts from smallest to largest. 2. Pay the minimum on all except the smallest. 3. Attack that smallest debt with every extra dollar you have. 4. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next debt on the list. This method gives you quick wins, keeping you motivated as you tackle bigger debts. And remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. So there you have it. 5 books that can truly change your financial life, and a simple strategy to start eliminating debt today. Which of these books are you excited to read first? Or do you have a favorite personal finance book that's not on this list? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Invest Vision Hub for more life-changing financial tips. Until next time, take control of your money and build the future you deserve.